I wanted to show how I make macaroni and cheese. And this is Annie's macaroni and cheese shells and real aged cheddar. Tastes good. But, and some cheese popcorn. Okay. But how you make this best macaroni and cheese, because I just tried it recently and this macaroni and cheese is ultra good. It's organic. Everything there is organic tastes better. But there's a special way that you make macaroni and cheese. Even if you made off-brand, it doesn't taste so cheesy. You must follow this direction. This will be the best teachings on how to make the best macaroni and cheese possible. First of all, what you will start with is 2 cups of this filled up. Like I would call it 4-cup measurement, because when it fills up to the top it says 2 cup. So you could start it like that. Pour that water in there. Okay, we gotta get more. Fill up that water more. And this is how it all starts. Fill it up. And then in addition to filling it up, you pour it again. Okay, now for the burner. The burner has to be put to medium. If you have a gas stove or electric, I just consider it 5. Put the lid on, because you need to trap the heat. It needs to bubble for the noodles to cook in my times calculation. And that's for the first part. Wait for the water to bubble boil, and then the good cook point will begin. The important part would be, this is the most key part when making the macaroni and cheese. The minute count after you first pour the noodles when the water is boiling. It's boiling. Pour it, stir it. Pour it and stir it. And then now keep track of the minutes. Now when you put the lid on, it takes 8 minutes. But if you leave it without the lid, you can pick 10 or 11 or 12. I'd say 11 would be good. So we'll start at 6:47, so it's that time right now. So I'll take it out. It's 6:58. It should be done. You gotta stir it so it doesn't stick. Using the spoons. Look at that thing steam. Hold in that and go. These minutes are crucial. Absolutely crucial when cooking macaroni and cheese, the boil parts. Absolutely indispensable. Important. That clock. Remember when I said the clock will be done? 6:58. But this is what you do. 6:58. Now, time to pour out the water. It's been boiled for at least 11 minutes. It looks firm. Oh. On a slant. Sometimes though, if you don't have no water, if you don't have no milk, you can put water. It means you could save a little bit of the water that you strain out for the macaroni and cheese. So you can mix it, because I suggest no butter ever, because it's too fattening. Use low fat cheese more. And if you must have a milk, use the 1%. Let's pour this milk in. The more milk, the more saucy. But if you get the noodles firm and great, it comes out good. Now open up this cheese packet. This is an excellent mill, especially that Annie's brand. Now for the fun part of the mixing. Although, did I get enough cheese? I also like to add pepper. There goes the wonderfulness. The mixing the macaroni and cheese. It's really saucy. It's firm so that the noodles can absorb the cheese. It's saucy because I poured quite a bit of 1% milk. I bet that maybe with the water it would be reduced a bit. The cream, but I find Annie's kind of hard to mix up. that cheese stuff. It's different from the other ones, which kind of like makes it more easier. This requires quite a bit of stir to really get that going. There we go. Now this macaroni and cheese is the way to make it. This is such a delicious way because you want to maximize it. Off brands don't have cheese flavor. Only a few do, and this was considered an unknown brand, but it has flavor. So see how I made it saucy, milky? This is a delicious mac and cheese. Oh, I also like some spice. Pepper. This is complete now. And that's how you do it. Woo! Smell that pepper. This is how you make the macaroni and cheese.